I talk about my transport pussy. Yo,
when I mean Ramesh foot going on my pussy. Let's talk, yo, suck your mother.
yo, remember this time, you know?
Nah, I don't need no fraud. I don't need no drama when you call.
Hey guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
I'm India.
I'm Shy.
And today we have a new video, a new type of video for you guys.
Yeah.
We are doing a reaction video to the diss song
By Jada Kingdom.
Shen Hang.
Shane Hang.
This is a reaction to what Shenseea did on Saturday at Red Bull Culture Clash. I believe Shenseea ran out and flopped herself because...
But I can't tell nothing, Jada got no wisdom for the video. Just fishing out the Jada, your whole big banana too small. Come flash up big and toss right pose. What's it? Level. They never do it for the backwards. Put me there backwards. Jada better you know the music, try to the actress. They leave love fear. Loose for me brain. Bitch ever call me name. Yeah, you upset them say. Strike force I go tear down the place. Travis never can't strike when I sit up on him face. So me never force it.
Travis! Travis, what up? Travis, what up?
Like, what is this?
What did the girl say? My girl, you're old big but your banana small. Like
Yeah,
what?
like-
But underestimating. What's her name? Jada Kingdom.
Jada?
Because they feel like she's not gonna come hard, you know?
Yeah, because she's like a singer type of artist.
Singer type of artist. And people are more on Shenseea's side because Shenseea has that rough baga gunman voice where, you know, when you push badness it sound good, them type of something. So
Okay, yeah, so let's get into this video. The video is the song. The song is 2 minutes and 3 seconds. We're gonna listen to the full song and then give our reaction, give our
critiques
and inputs.
reactions.
This is Jada Kingdom.
Shen Hang.
I that it really goes say mad. It is. The girl I sell her mouth from QQ I sing better must come and I know.
You know how long QQ sing better must come? You know? You know meds it. You know how long QQ sing that song there? Alright.
How long, Cheyenne? How long?
From a long time.
You can't see her where the bitch I run down. Anybody can fuck it and them not fi have no funds. She friendly and dumb, she will do it for the fun. Hey, little Miss Chin, I forget the bang. Ding dang coulda send both of those yang shen. Still I get hang in front of my friend. Me no back from no girl, come me no weak with defense. Yeah, the only thing rough about you is your gunman voice. So cocky for the feature, you nah no choice. Fuck around on the case, shoot out your shiny eye. When I get for all yet, so me I improvise. Where you are run bout, the clown hide when you see me at the airport. The whole of dance all know about your slack mouth. I know your steel pussy big like John's spouse. So go set a bucket and take a seat. Your front a leak, it's so loose. Your bitch a fear use him feet. Half time don't eat, sleep then repeat. You get brave from you get the fake body. But use a punk, bad for who you must a junk. Walk alone but my links them a skunk. Use a bitter child, take set for my all while. But this time around you did I forget stung. I said I be a must and have no sense. I won't tell it for trouble me. She said for me her outside, but when me reach I be a rascal security. Use a big coward groupie. Everybody know me unruly. True my silent, them don't know I owe me. Your little lame freestyle never move me.
Never move me either.
Banana clip, and if you try run, you get a banana slip. Chat crush you up like banana chips. My sister use a fan of my banana hits. But they love me long me in a life. So she need stench, see I smell a beard. Make too much noise, man. Tired of you now, virgin. Breast them look like squeeze up on your fuck. Chinese stuff, dog. All I know is one condom could have.
Okay,
first
Jada, you ran right out. Okay,
The beat, 10 out of 10. I like that little flow, the little it not harsh, but it's not like, you know, a good
subtle.
Yeah.
And she never had to put no rough. The girl sang on a beat and
sang
this
on the beat, bro. She's like, and you look like shit.
I love Jada's voice.
I'ma tell you that you look like shit.
Yeah, like, you know when someone cusses you off neat, like they don't have to swear, they don't have to raise their voice, just cuss you off, just cuss you off neat. Those ones are the ones that hurt the most, because when people are riling up themselves, dirty girl and blah 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 blah. You're like, okay.
I don't want to underestimate Shenseea, but I feel like Shenseea can come hard.
I don't feel like she can.
Like, I feel like
she's gonna write. She's not gonna write her own. She's gonna get TJ. So Ramesh probably just woke up this morning and said, "Hey." So, guys, how do you think this clash is gonna go? Who do you think is gonna win?
Drop in the comments down below who you think is gonna win. Drop it down below.
Who do you think is gonna win?
Jada. I feel Jada because everybody's underestimating Jada. Because everybody feels like, you see how Shenseea asks on Instagram sometimes, like, hey girl, blah blah blah. Oh, she ran upon Faith when Faith was not looking. You know?
Yeah.
I feel like she's tough, isn't it?
Yeah.
And her voice is like the voice of like the bad tune them and the Gunman tune. You know how Gunman and yo Ebo you type of voice she have. So people obviously I go back her, but me aside with the underdog.
Well, I believe Jada's gonna win. And I'm just saying that, okay, like, I'm a Jada Kingdom fan, period. I like Shenseea, so I'm not being biased. I do bump Shenseea.
Yeah, definitely.
But in this clash, I feel like Jada's just gonna demolish her nice and neat.
Cause look,
with her little cute voice, saying, Shenseea, who sent you? Like, why you come trouble me? Why? Basically, this is why you come trouble me.
Your parents didn't never teach you, never touch at stove. If they touch it, you're gonna get burned. Comment down below why you think, if you're not Team Jada, if you are Team Jada, it doesn't matter, whichever side you're on, comment down below why you think they might take it. Because you might comment and say, oh, this person, but why?
Do you think this beef is gonna get like big, like Gaza versus Gully, like that type of music clash for all these years? And people are dying and taking sides?
Boy, if you don't...
It's that deep.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Maybe Jada's fans, because they're kind of crazy.
Yeah, because they're die hard. Die hard? No, but the Shenyans go hard still.
But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. And comment down below any other videos you want us to do. And we got y'all.
Bye.